Hi, I'm Rashida Smith, the online program coordinator with Clarion West. I'm excited about this year's Write-a-thon, and I hope you'll join us on Discord, our primary social platform. You'll want to join to connect with other writers, to find folks to sprint with, critique partners, tips on how to fundraise for the Write-a-thon, and more. There are two ways to use Discord. You can install the Discord app on your machine or phone or tablet, or you can use the browser version. For this demo, we're going to use the browser version. You'll begin by clicking the link in the registration email you received, Join the Write-a-thon Discord. If you aren't already, you'll have to log into Discord and then accept the invite. You'll notice at the bottom and the top of the page is a blue bar that says you're going to have to complete a few more steps before you can start talking in the server. So go ahead and click that complete link. From there, you'll be taken to a page with our community guidelines. So please take a moment to read and agree to our server rules. Click on I have read and agree to the rules, and then submit, the green button at the bottom. Congratulations, you're in. First step will be to choose your roles. So if you scroll down to the Get Roles channel on the left side of the screen, oops, we passed it. You have the option to tell us a little bit about yourself and tell others about you as you interact on the server. Beginning at the top, you can pick your pronouns and tell us where you're from. By clicking the little emoji that matches, you'll click the one at the bottom below. Yep. Pick your pronouns. And tell us a little bit about yourself and how you know us. Are you a writer? Are you a reader? Are you a supporter? Are you on the board or an alumni? You can choose as many selections as suit. Once you finish picking your roles, you are in. Jump on in, check out our channels. You can introduce yourself by going to the introductions channel on the left. Tell us about anything you would like your fellow Write-a-thon participants to know. Remember, these will be visible to everyone participating in the Write-a-thon and the server overall. So do put out only the information you're most comfortable sharing with others. If you scroll down, you can check out the Write-a-thon announcement page. And that will be where we'll let you know about any upcoming events, readings, or fun things happening on or off the server. Upcoming classes will tell you a bit about any of the classes that are coming this week, which you can register for, again, in the links back in your registration email. And the other channel I'd like to point you to is the fundraising tips. That'll be for places for us to put tips and tricks for raising funds for the Write-a-thon, getting donations from friends and family, and others. There are a host of other channels that you can participate in this Write-a-thon. So take some time and scroll down that bar to the left. If there's anything that seems interesting to you, pop in, say hi. You can find crit groups, beta readers, have some social time, share pictures of your animal friends, tell us what you're watching, reading, interacting with. We have affinity groups. And if there are any channels that you notice are missing, feel free to add a mod or an admin and let us know what group channels you're looking for. Please note that if you are in the Flash Fiction workshops, you will be added to your group's private channel by June 18th, 2022. So if you haven't gotten added by the 18th of June, please feel free to reach out to the mods and we'll get you in the right channel. That's about it for the Discord. It is really what you make of it. So please come in, check it out, play around in the channels, get to know each other. And we hope you have a great Write-a-thon. More information, video links are below in the YouTube description, or let us know if you have any questions by sending us an email to write-a-thon@clarionwest.org. Have a great Write-a-thon.